My name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently we are inside Mile 7. We are done with this beautiful video intercom system. And then we also did a gate motor system. Now we integrated the gate motor into the intercom system so that when somebody press on the door, you can open the gates. You can open the gates with the intercom system. Okay. Now let me just show you how the gate works. This is how it works. Very fast. That's the video. Okay. I'll show you the and then as usual, I'm going to show you the pedestrian. Click on it, press, then the pedestrian opens. Now, like I always demonstrate, the pedestrian opens and then close. When it's closing, it closes. I don't touch it, it closes by itself. And if by chance I open the gates and then let's say I'm coming out of the car, okay, and you have a child who's playing around and the child doesn't know and the gate is closing. Once the gate sees the child, the gate goes back, okay, or your car. Don't play yourself, make sure you give us a call. We are the best guys. Stay away from the box shifters. We are in the crowd, Kumasi, Tamale. Now we are in Cape Coast and Volta region. Ladies and gentlemen, it's going down.